Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. For today, tuturuan ko po kayo paano po malink ang inyong GCash Visa card. So first off is open po natin ang GCash account and then click profile sa baba. And then click po natin yung my link accounts. After po nyan, i-click po natin yung GCash card. And then click po natin yung link my card since magli-link po tayo ng card. And then hihingan po tayo ng 6-digit verification which is marireceive po natin sa ating mobile number. After po nun, i-enter po natin yung last 4 digits of the card which is matatagpuan po natin siya sa likod ng ating card. After po nun, yung virtual account number naman which is yung 12 digit. After nyan, pagka next po nyan, may verification po ulit na matatanggap kayo sa inyong phone, 6 digit yon. And after po nun, mag-enter po kayo ng desired 6 number PIN para po yun po yung magiging PIN ng inyong GCash card kada po kayo mag-withdraw. After nyo po makapaglagay ng inyong desired 6 number PIN is done na po ang inyong paglilink ng inyong GCash card. If you have any questions po, don't hesitate to comment down below. Maraming salamat po and paalam!